Good morning, everyone. The inaugural ceremony of the National Seminar on the Scope of Mathematics and Data Science, along with the 58th Annual Conference of Orissa Mathematical Society. Today marks a two-day academic extravaganza in the to have amongst us Shri Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister, Science and Technology, Government of Orissa, as our chief guest. Shri Santosh Kumar, Technology Department, Government of Orissa, as our guest of honor. Professor Ramashankar Rath, the President of the Orissa Mathematical Society, who will preside over the meeting. Professor Tushar Kanti Tripathi, the General Secretary of the Orissa Mathematical Society. Professor Jasabanta Jena, Director, Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Bhubaneswar. And Dr. Sudhakar Sahu from Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Bhubaneswar, and who is the organizing secretary of the conference. I would like to invite the respected delegates to kindly occupy their respected seats on the dais. I would like to call Sagarika and Barsharani to escort the delegates up to the dais. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you. As a famous Polish mathematician, Stefan Banach once said, mathematics is the most beautiful and most linked to this beautiful change and innovative thinking
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें ताज दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, तू की देवी संग तुझसे हर तेरा हर गीत तुझसे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरे शरण हम, हमें प्यार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, वेदों की भाषाओं की बात एक समझे हम एक जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ, ये शारदे माँ, ये शारदे माँ, तू करने का हाथों में मुकुट पे साजे, बनते हमारे मिटा के अंधेरे, हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें काट दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ।
ବିଚଳିତ କରିକି ଆମକୁ ବହୁତ ହୁଏ ସବୁବେଳେ ବିଚଳିତ। ମତେ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁ ଆସିଲୁନି ତୁ, ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଅନଲାଇନ ଆଉ କାଲି ଯିବି, କାଲି ତ ସିଆଡେ ଯିବି।
Thank you, students. Up next, I would like to invite Dr. Anuswar Nath from the Department of Mathematics, Utkal University, to sing the opening song to enliven this occasion. She is not just an eminent mathematician, she is also an amazing singer and has been previously featured in various television singing shows. So I would like to invite ma'am to present a song for this occasion.
ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ତାଲା ପଡୁଛି ଅଜନ୍ତା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ନାହାନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ବି ନାହିଁ, ବୁଝିଲେ ତ, ଏଠି ସବୁ ଠକରେ ଚାଲିଛି। ଜାଣିଛ ଅଲ ଓଡ଼ିଶା କନଫରେନ୍ସ 45 ଜଣ ଲୋକ, ଯୋଉଥିରେ ହୁଅନ୍ତି 500 ଲୋକ। ଆରେ ତୁମେ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଆଜି ମୋତେ ଯେମିତି ହେଲେ ଦବ, ମୁଁ କହିଦେଇଛି, କହିଲେ 11:30
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯେଉଁ ଗୀତଟିକୁ ଗାଇବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ତାହାକୁ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଫେସର ଗୋକୁଳାନନ୍ଦ ଦାସ ଏବଂ ସ୍ୱର ସଂଯୋଜନା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଶ୍ରୀଯୁକ୍ତ ଭକ୍ତବଲ୍ଲଭ ପୃଷ୍ଟି।
ଏଇ ଗୀତଟା ଶୁଣି ସାର
यथा शिखा मयूराणां नागानामनयो यथा तद्वेदांग शास्त्राणां गणितमूर्धनि स्थितं गणितमूर्धनि स्थितं गणितमूर्धनि स्थितं गणिताराणि मो गणिताराणि गणिताराणि मो गणिताराणि आदिम कालरू जनमिलु संकेत माळारे गभा भरी देई संकेत माळारे गभा भरी देई जगत मनकु नेई गणित मैडम केबे रानी केबे चाकिरियानी मयूरा शिखा तू नागर मणि सबु शास्त्र रे तू मौडमणि गणित रानी मो गणित रानी गणित रानी मो गणित केबे जटिल तू केबे सरल केबे बहुल तू केबे विरल केबे कठोर तू केबे सरल भाविले तो कथा घेऊ विभल विश्व विपणी उनक जादूरे बहुरूपिणी तो बिना तोर परी सीमा न हुए जानी गणित रानी मो गणित रानी गणित रानी मो गणित रानी बिंदु रेखा रागे झरे संगीत असीम ससीम छंदे शोभित मथारे माखिचु सुन सिंदूर मथारे माखिचु सुन सिंदूर आहा कि सुंदर कविता तोर ज्ञानर झरणा तू मंदाकिनी जुगे जुगे पुत्र घे नाराधना हे तपस्विनी घे नाराधना हे तपस्विनी घे नाराधना हे तपस्विनी.
Thank you, ma'am. Up next, I would like to invite our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor Jasubanta Jaina, to give the welcome address to all of our guests.
I welcome our Honorable Minister, Science and Technology, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, as the chief guest of this occasion. I am very much thankful to him for sparing his valuable time for this function and his constant encouragement for betterment of IMA. Unfortunately, the Principal Secretary, Sri Santosh Kumar Sarangi, is unable to join us due to some unavoidable circumstances. However, he wished all success of this conference. I welcome this Ratha for entrusting IMA to organize this conference. I welcome the Secretary of OMS, Dr. T.K. Tripathi, who is monitoring all the. I welcome Professor G. Das, Professor K. Nanda, Professor N.K. Chaudhary, and other members of executive body of OMS for their timely advices for organization of this conference. I welcome the organizing team headed by Dr. Sudhakar Sahu for making this event possible with so many restrictions and so many difficulties. I welcome Dr. T. Panigrahi, Dr. S.S. Rao, Dr. P. Valia Singh, Mr. Indra Vatte, and staff members of IMA for their untiring efforts for this conference. I also welcome our student volunteers who are constantly engaged themselves and also came up with several new ideas for success of this event. I welcome all the delegates of OMS and wish a fruitful interactions during these 2 days. IMA. I have never visited this campus before I joined as the director of this institute. And after joining this place, I was surprised to see the state of affairs of IMA after its existence of more than 20 years. Within this short span of time, 2 new faculty members joined us as associate professors. We have prepared the logo with the help of our faculty members, and it was designed by one of our second year BSc students, Vibhu Sri Brahma. I think he may be present here. Okay, he is the person. And I thank him for his effort. So many times we have changed this logo, and this is the final form which is appearing in this. Now, the service conditions of NSIT is approved by the General Council, sorry, Governing Council of IMA, and is now consideration of government. And soon we'll have that also. And also some new buildings, infrastructures are coming to IMA very soon. IMA is the brainchild of OMS. I hope to go with the ideological support from the OMS. And what I have talked to our Honorable Minister, he is ready to give all sorts of support to our institute. So once again, I welcome all of you.
Every successful event requires some form of documentation commemorating the significance of the ceremony, which will serve as a testament for the times to come. On this note, every year, the Odisha Mathematical Society makes an effort to document its activities. This year is no exception. So, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to invite Professor Dr. P.K. Tripathi, General Secretary of Odisha Mathematical Society, to present the annual report. Sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Respected President of OMS, Professor R.S. Rathore, and President of the inaugural session of the conference, esteemed Chief Guest, Sri Ashok Chandra Pandaji, Honorable Minister, Science and Public Enterprises, Social Security and Empowerment of Persons with Disability, esteemed Director, Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Professor Savanta Jena, Organizing Secretary, members of faculty, and other members of staff of IMA, my dear teachers, esteemed delegates, invitees, dignitaries, students, media persons, members of the organizing committee and advisory committee of this function, members of Odisha Mathematical Society, and all other who have directly or indirectly helped me to make this function possible and successful. Ladies and gentlemen, OMS was founded on the auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi, 11 September 1972, sprouting from the minds of eminent mathematicians led by Professor Ramanath Mohanty, the then Vice Chancellor of Uttar University, Professor Bamacharan Das, Professor Brajabandhu Mishra, and Professor Shankar Prasad Mishra. OMS was registered as a society with registration number 7203 of 2202 of 1973. OMS will be 50 years old coming year, Its first conference was held on 20th and 21st January 1973 at PG Department of Mathematics, Uttar University, Bhubaneswar. Late Professor Ramanath Mohanty, late Professor Ghanashyam Samal, late Professor S.P. Misra, and Professor Ramshankar Rathore were the founder president, vice president, general secretary, and treasurer respectively during that session. We feel privileged to get Professor Ramshankar Rathore as president of the society for 2019-20 and 2021, who was founder treasurer of OMS 48 years back. OMS is an organization of mathematics lovers. The only qualification on the basis of which someone can be admitted as a member of OMS is that he or she must have interest in mathematics. In fact, doctors, engineers, bankers, and others are already members of OMS. 47th Annual Conference of Odisha Mathematical at National Institute of Science and Technology, Berhampur, last year. It was planned to undertake various projects to aid to the cause of mathematics during the session just ended. Due to the pandemic situation of COVID-19, and above all, it taught us to develop further and to remain prepared to face a situation which we never apprehend to encounter. OMS is no exception. We could not adhere to
And beyond this, you can have two more routes. And on the because you have two layers, so three positive.
A few books like on some randomly chosen topics in mathematics and science of general interest, written by President OMS Professor Ramshankar Rathore. Ganita Sahitya Sadhaka Volume 3, a compilation of life and work of could also be completed during this period. This session, OMS has decided courses in mathematics in Odisha. In fact, Manas University. He had secured 90% marks in at HSC, 87% mark at plus 2 level, and 87% CGPA 9.28 at degree level. OMS has decided to felicitate following teachers for their commendable contribution in the field of mathematics: Professor S.N. Murthy, Professor Surendranath Mahapatra, Professor Ravi Patnaik, and Sri Das. Besides keynote lectures, following memorial lectures will also be delivered online during this 48th annual conference. Professor Santar Prasad for memorial lecture, and Professor Minakethan Das memorial, like Professor Ramanath Mohanty memorial lecture, Professor Ramacharan Das memorial lecture. Following publications of OMS shall also be unveiled during this inaugural session, namely souvenir of the conference on some randomly chosen topics in mathematics and science of general interest, written by Professor Ramshankar Rathore. Ganita Sahitya Sadhaka Volume 3, Compilation and Work Edition, and Mathematics. Prizes and hours for paper presentation will also be made during this conference. There is provision for prizes and hours in the following categories: Professor Ghanashyam Samal award for best paper presentation category, instituted by Professor Kumar, ex-Professor IIT Kanpur. Paper presentation in PhD or research scholar category, instituted by Professor Haribandhu Patnaik. Then Professor Trivikram Pati Award for best presentation of paper by postdoctorals. Faculty is below 35 years to mathematicians to pursue research. of his father, late Sri Patanath. Personally, on behalf of the OMS, welcome Professor Jaswant as the new, Professor Jaswant Jena as the new Director of Institute of Mathematics and Applications. OMS assures all sorts of cooperation and support to the institute to reach its goal. As a supportive gesture, Professor Jena offered to host this conference. I thank him for such a positive gesture. I thank the entire IMA team which gave every effort to make this conference on online mode a success. I thank all members of OMS for electing me as its General Secretary for the last two sessions. It was a great privilege for me to act as the General Secretary of a prestigious society of OMS statute. Finally, I thank everyone for making this online conference a great success. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request the students to present the memento to Professor T.K. Tripathi. Can we have a great round of applause, please? There is a slight change in schedule. So now let us move forward with the release of book Ganita Sahityara Sadhaka Volume 3. May I request the distinguished guest to please come forward for the release of book.
Let's hear it out for the release of the book Ganita Sahityara Sadhaka, Volume 3. On randomly choosing topics. Next book on randomly choosing some topics. Now, let's move forward with the release of the second book, whose title is On Some Randomly Chosen Topics in Mathematics and Science of General Interests, written by Professor R.S. Ratha, President of Odisha Mathematical Society, and published by Textbook Bureau, Odisha.
Next we have the release of the book Ganitara Shrestha Purusha Manankara. Next we have the release of the book Ganitara Shrestha Purusha Manankara Maulika Bhavanara Diga Diganta Prathama Khanda Prachina Juga or Madhya Juga, written by Professor R.S. Rath, President of OMS, and published by Textbook Bureau, Odisha. Next, we have the release of the book Abhinav Ganita Vichiran, March 2020. Now let's proceed with the release of Journal of OMS, Volume 39, Issue number 1 and Issue number 2.
Can we have a big round of applause for this release of the book, Journal of OMS? So we need to address for it. Address for it. Okay. Like every year, this year also, we are happy to announce the release of the souvenir for this 48th annual conference on scope of mathematics and data science conducted by Odisha Mathematical Society. May I have the honor to invite our distinguished guests to release the souvenir. Can we have a big round of applause for the release of the souvenir for this All India National Conference? Thank you. Now, I would like to invite the person under whose guidance this program has been possible. It is a proud privilege on our part that today we are having Srijukta Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister, Science and Technology Department, Government of Odisha as the chief guest of this auspicious event. Let us welcome our chief guest with a huge round of applause. Sir.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
अभिनंदन आज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स जो जातीय सेमिनार ये आरंभ होती स्कोप ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स सहित 48तम ओडिशा सोसाइटी मैथमेटिक्स हॉल अच्छा मैथमेटिक्स प्रोफेसर मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर रमाशंकर रथ महोदय साधारण संपादक ओडिशा मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी डॉक्टर तुषार खंती महोदय ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर सुधाकर साहू एवं मोहन अच्छा बहुत ज्ञानी गुणी विद्वान प्रोफेसर गोकुलानंद दास जी उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय पूर्वतन कुलपति एवं प्रोफेसर सुदर्शन नंद जी भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी प्रथम कुलपति थे अनुष्ठान प्रथम निर्देशक डॉक्टर स्वाधीन पट्टनायक मोर आसाम पचास प्रोफेसर जेना को सी जेहेतु वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म सी भी मुझे आशा रखुची से भी थे आम सहित योगदान करेंगे फैकल्टी मेंबर आदरणीय छात्र छात्री माने एवं कर्मचारी वृंद एवं अन्य समस्त सुविधा आज there are many students from outside state. I will be bilingual. So I must take this opportunity before I'll make organizing secretary Dr. Sudhakar Sahu. From next time, whenever you organize conference and release this seminar, these souvenir books, please don't wrap it in these papers. Just put it in a tray, hold it with a cloth and some flowers. That will be the best thing. Years back, I was just listening to organizing secretaries who will come before their runner report. Almost touching 50 years, is it? Yes. And this institute more than 2 decades or touching 2 decades. Professor Jaina. Yes. See, mathematics, when you hear this word mathematics, when you are in the primary school, every child has a fear, almost 90%. Even I had that fear. We were scared of math teacher. And somehow, some students excel in mathematics like anything, 100 upon 100, some in 90 to 100, some in 70 to 80, like that. So, but once somebody overcome the fear of mathematics, then I think he or she becomes, mad with love with the mathematics. I have seen people like that. Even that happened in case of my son, he was scared, but he got a very good math teacher. He almost expelled almost all fears from his mind. Then I saw him doing all exercises in home. So this happens. And particularly, in case of mathematics, we have heard, everybody also heard, the Lidavati Sutra, Shakuntala Devi, these are the names. and we have a strong linkage, connections with the astronomy, so far as the mathematics is concerned. And from the great son of this soil, Odisha, Patani Saman Chandrasekhar, great astronomer, also he didn't have this mathematical application with the help of two pieces of Diarajo Kwantikati. He could measure the movement of stars and all that. So that we have named the planetarium here after in his name. So mathematics, Professor Jena has given me a prepared speech. He has mentioned here about Homi Jahangir Baba, how when his father tried him to be a mechanical engineer from Cambridge, he didn't want it. He wanted to pursue his knowledge in mathematics. And the story says that both father and son had a truce that his father made a condition that let him be a mechanical engineer from Cambridge. If he scores first division or 90%, something like that, then he will allow him to pursue mathematics. This is the story says. But ultimately, you know, Tata Institute method. It is named after him, and he pursued the mathematics, his quest for mathematics. He never joined the Tata Group, you know, all junction for the steel industry. So that is all about. But here, I must say few lines. What is the plan of the state government, particularly this department? I think I must take this opportunity to share this with you. See, this department is not a very big department. It's a small department, around 60 to 70 crore budget. This year it has been announced crossing 100 crores. But Honorable Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has a lot of interest in this. You might have heard of Late Biju Patnaik, who instituted Kalinga Science Award, which was later taken over by UNESCO. Now every 2 years, the UNESCO Kalinga Prize is distributed, or even to a scientist who has made a remarkable contribution in the field of science every 2 years. I will just mention about a noted scientist from Belgium, Eric Jacomin, who received the award in 2017. I was present. For 2017, UNESCO Kalinga Prize. He received it later. While we were sharing the platform, I didn't know that he is a pioneer, particularly in the Western Europe and even in UK, in pursuing giving a road map for the science park and planetarium. I didn't know that. During the chit chat, he just mentioned it. Then I made a request to him, please visit the science park in Bhubaneswar. He said, he assured me that I will pay a visit. As of today, we have only 3 science parks. One in Bhubaneswar, that's Government of India Village. One in National Council of Science Future, and a park in Kapilas on the footing of Kapilas. And third one, recently we made it operational at Pukurala, Bargar district, jointly sponsored by Government of India and Government of Bhubaneswar. National Council of Science Museum, they have decided what are the interior objects and the exterior parts. Now, that gave us a lot of inspiration even to Honorable Chief Minister. After he returned from Bargar district visit, he asked me to send the file will have science park in each 30 districts. So he announced that all the 30 districts in Odisha will have science park spreading over six, around 5 acres. Or if it is cropped with planetarium, it will be 10 acres. And we have already got the land by collectors in 40 districts out of 30 districts. First, science park, and already recently we laid the foundation stone of Raigada Science Park. Very soon we are going to have one science park in Badar, and again also planetarium at Raigada and other places. And one at Baripada, one at Keonjhar. These are the two places where science park and planetarium work together. Around each budget with this with their features, it is 21.5 crores. 6.5 for science park, 50 crores for the planetarium. So it may get in the mind of the students. What is the purpose? Just is to take our level or other levels. It can, if there is any quest to know about the scientific activities, they can go and make. It is just like giving them an exposure. That is the plan. We have one from the public society at the district level headed by collector and so this is one of the the biotech is a sector where Odisha has a rich potential. Why I am saying this? Because all interrelated with the scientific applications. Myself, I was a science student in BJP college. My combination was physics, chemistry, mathematics, PCM combinations in 1970-72. But I wanted to be a doctor. I would like to have a biology as one of the optional, although you cannot sit for the entrance test in the languages. So I got biology from College of Resistance in first selection. So I joined there, left BJP, and then second list came. I got biology, I did come back, I did my work. Worked 2 years there. But I couldn't become a doctor because of some other reasons. So I joined All India Service and Indian Information Service. I was student in Delhi. And I paid for the all over the university. Joined Indian Information Service in 1992. So this is my background. I spent 2 years for the science. I know something about science, not much of knowledge like you people, like Professor Jena or Goplan Babu. My point is, if we nourish the students right from the secondary level or even at primary level, when we were in the primary level, we didn't have the scope for the science activities. Even many of the luminaries, they might not have that scope. Now, the science exhibitions at block level, university level, at secondary level, it is taking place. This is the difference. Now, we are taking steps. See, Tata Foundation here, along with joining hands with us, they are every year promoting 20 students. We call them young astronauts, talent search agent of students, 20 students. Tata Foundation and Science Technology, they select 20 students from the government as well as private schools. We have thought of to take it a step further. I just proposed when Tata's CEO came here, Mr. Narendra, that let's go for make it 30. First 10 will be sent on exposure visit to NASA Aeronautic and Space Administration in space. This was my proposal. He readily agreed, and we have decided we'll make it 30, and first 10 will be sent to states in government expenditure on exposure visit. this is the, already we have got the concept note, everything is clear. Even the outgoing secretary, Mr. Charangi, he has clearly he has gone to same for Akuma. That is the. So, science park, planetarium, exposure visit, all these are small inputs, but if you look at in a holistic perspective, definitely it will give our student to explore the quest to reach the full circle in their quest for the science. Then third thing is in the biotech sector, we have quoted lot of scholarships also. The biotech park is next to your Institute of Mathematics. The work has is going in full swing. 2008 we launched the work there. We missed of the 12 years, precious 12 years. But in my visit to Hyderabad to attend the Asia Biotech Conference, I insisted on that it is not enough for Bharat Biotech, the co-vaccine group. Either you do this or surrender the life. That was the option for me. Either do it, give me the cut-off date, or you surrender the land. We will go for the other place. So after fortnight, he told me, sir, I am coming down and I will start my work. You want it going in? When we will go for the coconut breaking? I said, no coconut breaking. No minister, no MLA will be invited for the coconut breaking. You want to do puja, husband, wife, you both do puja. We are not interested in work. We are not interested in this. But do your work. Because we are not 12 years, we don't want to lose for them years. Because state is different. So like this. Also, we have quoted the scholarship, we are tagging various university, Utkal, OUT, and other institute in biotech, quoting an Institute of Life Science, RMRC, during the COVID time also we extended help, and now particularly two magazines, like your Special Issue Mathematical Society, we have also two magazines. One is Vigyan Digan, other is Science Oriented by Utsa Science Academy. So I requested Dr. Pati Sanjita Patri and our chairman, Mr. Paridar of ILS, just ask the doctors who have actively participated in the field of corona warriors, their experience, they must compile the articles and let's bring out a special issue and let's circulate among the students. Just it's a awareness drive. So we did that, we have already released the special issues. We have done that. So all these, whatever you see, we are focusing on biotech sector, we are focusing on the science work and the planetariums, and particularly we are planning to enhance this scholarship amount. Those are very Patnaik awards, scientist awards, we are planning to enhance it. And I had a 2 hours virtual discussion with the chairman of the Gujarat Science and Technology Council, chairman, some Odia gentleman. I had 2 hours discussion. I was in the virtual. So we picked up many ideas from them, and I hope we have already on a different path to make the department more viable, so that at least department's contribution is noticed and our students' aspirations are fulfilled. And the other thing which I forgot, I must mention this. When I visited Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, I just went to the institute. I had a meeting with the governing council. During the PowerPoint presentation, I came across a point for science to society. I just inquired, what is this? What is this point? So, director of the IISc Bangalore told me that this is where we can tag in the Science Technology Council with the IISc Bangalore. So, I readily agreed. So, we decided, I requested them, please send a note and also send a professional team. Those will come and they will do the homework here in Odisha, and every year we'll send, say, around 100 science teachers to Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, for an orientation program during the summer holidays. Its fund is already allotted. IISc Bangalore has given its final nod, and only thing is we have suspended for the time being. But once the normalcy returns, we'll go for it. Our science teachers will be going to the IISc Bangalore, their new campus near Tumkur. They will have the orientation programs so that they can update their knowledge. That is more important. So that is, they have agreed, and even the Professor Hegde visited here, went to many schools from IISc Bangalore, and they have campus, something like that here in this campus, which were not discussed, not taken any decision. So this is another aspect. So I hope the mathematics I am requesting Organically and the Data Secretary, please think about that. And Professor Jaina, I have also, when we are talking about the biotech, he has given one proposal. We are linking the mathematics, the applications to that sector. He has mentioned the cutting edge sector. Then I said, no, please don't use this parlance because many people may not understand, but I am explaining this. We are trying to have a linkage for the mathematical application of this. And again, I am thankful to you people, particularly the society, students, and everybody, faculty member, and Emily Dulner is here, contributed, those who have left their footprints in the development of this state and others. So, again, all the best wishes and all the best wishes to the Institute. As a minister, I again assure Professor Jaina, I will not fail in my responsibility in promoting the cause of the Institute and promoting the House to family members to the election. In 2010, I went to state, the minister sent me as part of the investment rules. I was only MLA, so I met Professor Vigyan Das, sister in state. She was heading the Udaya Society of America. I met her. She was still with NASA, so brilliant. I have seen her. So I hope let's hope this institute also become the premier institute in the country and on its own. Thank you. Vande Utkaram.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful words. We are honored that you gave us your precious time, and we would definitely try to set. Now, to our Science and Technology Department, Government of Odisha, Sri Yukta Ashok Chandra Panda. Odisha Society. The gallery.
Dignitaries and others in the audience. As you know, very old person, and if I first, you'll kindly excuse, I am going to read out what I wrote a few days back, which has become my presidential speech in this conference. A few words about what mathematics is all about. It is reasonable to believe that mathematics is as old as human civilization itself, since civilized man must have used it in some form or other for its living. Hence, to trace the origin and gradual development of certain elementary mathematical notions, such as the crude sense of counting numbers or that of comparing quantities, one has to search pages of history dating back to more than 5,000 years. That a pair of shoes and a married couple are different instances of the same number would have taken several years, probably a century for the thinking mind to understand, might astonish us. But absorption of ideas by human mind was as slow as that. Bertrand Russell gave a special name, cardinal number, for counting the objects. Measure the size of collection of objects, the magnitude of an object, the quantity of liquid in a vessel, as also the heaviness of an object, was all outcome of mathematical skills. Discovery of zero negativity decimal pattern number system was a major event with a new impetus to the progress of mathematics. Ideas equally fundamental in responsible for shaping the destiny of mathematics were those about correct explanations of the basic technologies as set, point, infinity, continuity, limit, irrational number, etc. This raised by Zeno, a self-taught Greek boy, years, four ideas. The Pythagorean paradox led to the discovery and infinite, while the ways of calculating the approximate areas bounded by curves and drawing tangents to them by Archimedes led to the invention of integral and differential calculus. Later mathematicians like Descartes, Cantor, Weierstrass, Newton, and Leibniz posed the ideas and converted them into definite shapes. Hence, justifiably, the earlier mathematicians should be given the honor that is rightfully due to them. We now realize that our notion about a geometrical point has come to us through a long evolutionary process. Euclid defined it by describing it as an imaginary figure having a position without a shape or measure. School students were asked to mark the location on the paper by the sharp edges of their pencils. Descartes gave its description on the paper, two-dimensional space, through a pair of numbers for the analytic geometry of two dimensions. Students are advised to define it as an ordered pair of numbers. For geometry of 3 or n-dimensional space, a set of equal number of ordered numbers is taken as its definition. It is thus clear that since the beginning of the 20th century, our notion of a geometrical point exists abstract feel of it, than any visual form. Early times, mathematics is being studied in two disciplines, distinct from one another. The first, that of discrete objects, is studied in algebra, arithmetic, theory of numbers, symbolic logic, and such other subjects. Discovery of calculus paved the way for the study of a wider field under the name of continuous method or of analysis. It was geometry invented by Descartes which played the role of bridging the gap between these two wide fields of study, those of algebra of discrete numbers and of the analysis of space. While the use of mathematics is increasingly extended to more and more subjects of higher education, its fear is still lingering in the minds of college students. Here it is said is often out of a feeling of respect to those who deserve it. If Plato was in his days, and even now, it was for his knowledge in a number of branches including politics, philosophy, and society, but certainly not mathematics. The respect in mathematics is more ascribed to the fear he commanded due to his famous academy into which all those ignorant in geometry were disallowed. It is, however, true that only 200 years back, a great mathematician like Lagrange, of his office, not the students, to simplify the man so that you would no more be afraid of it. We know it could only be an ideal, never realizable in practice. Even so, the theory of relativity, once believed to have been understood only by less than half a dozen scientists across the world, is now in essence within the grasp of students who understand the fundamentals of physics and mathematics. Hence, we are now inclined to believe in Lagrange's successors. Galileo felt that nature's great book is written in mathematical symbols. A modern scientist may be more critical and say that not the nature, but we ourselves invented particular skills to be able to read such symbolic language in a manner which will suit us. But Galileo was not the only scientist who felt. James Jeans in 1930 thought similarly when he remarked of the universe must have been a pure mathematician. Einstein was more realistic when he believed that mathematics gave the natural sciences a certain measure of security. Bertrand Russell felt that mathematics, rightly viewed, possesses not only truth but supreme beauty, a beauty cold and austere like that of the sculptor, without any part of our weaker nature, sublimely pure and capable of a such as only the greatest art can show. All these high compliments by notable personalities have given mathematics something substantial, namely a faith itself, and its ability to create values. Thus, which are basic to the progress of mathematics, owe their end to the person who directed the thinking consistently to the ideas till they took concrete. We have assembled here to pay homage to them by furthering their ideas as best as you can and to draw inspiration from the values while doing so. In conclusion, one thing must be said that the abstractness and generality are the very essence of mathematical thought. Simple and complex ideas, when mathematically viewed, may have immense philosophical interest. Inventions of the mathematical geometrical point and the concept of cardinality of the counting numbers instances. A mathematical physicist paid his tribute when he said that scientific work, this abstract. At the end, I would like to thank Son and his colleagues and students here who have made this conference a grand success. We never expected that this should actually succeed because this gradually from 26 to 3rd April, 26 March to 3rd April, and then at the end to 10th. And even these 2 days, 10th and 11th, we intended that may not be possible to hold the conference here. In spite of all these, Professor Jana's help to this, our OMS has made it a success, and I would especially thank to his here.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to invite the students of our college to present a memento to sir. Can we have a round of applause for this? Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Sri Manas Ranjan Rao to receive the Bhamat Best Graduate Award in Mathematics Honours. He has passed +3 Mathematics Honours in the year 2020 from Basic Science College, OUAT. And now, his teacher. And now he is continuing first year MSc at the Department of Mathematics. At Bani Vihar, Utkal University, Odisha. He is not present here, so I request his teacher, Dr. Anusaya Rath, to receive his award. He has also been awarded a cash reward of rupees 1,000.
Now let's proceed towards most awaited felicitation ceremony. I would like to invite Sri Khetrabasi Das to receive the felicitation award. And I would also like to request Dr. Chittaranjan Malik to read the felicitation certificate to be awarded to Sri Khetrabasi Das. So please.
ओडिशा गणित संसद 48तम भारतीय केन्द्रापड़ा मात्र 3 वर्ष गणित विषय उत्कृष्ट लेखा प्रोफेसर ब्रजबंधु मिश्र श्रेष्ठ लेखक सम्मान आपण सम्मानित होते सौभाग्यर कथा एवर्ष पुणी गणित प्रति आजीवन अवदान आपण को संबर्धित कर केन्द्रापड़ा जिलार आड़ी ब्लॉकर उईवाड़ा ग्रामर एक आर्थिक अनग्रसर परिवार 19 नवेम्बर 1958 आपणकर जन्म सुखदेव दास सुंदरी देवी आपणकर पितामाता सेमानकर ऐकान्तिक उद्यम मनोबल को पाथर कर आपण दामोदर विद्यालय मैट्रिक पटामली कॉलेज ऑनर्स डिस्टिंक्शन बीए पास कले से पारिवारिक उत्सुक कारण आपण उच्चशिक्षा मन बढ़े ना बीएड डिग्री लाभ कर मूल आपण शिक्षकता को आपणाई नहीं मात्र से शैक्षणिक पेशा श्रेणीगृहर पाठ्यसूचना ऊर्ध्वकोटि शिक्षार्थी प्रतियोगितामूलक परीक्षा प्रशिक्षित कराइले आपणकर प्रशिक्षण में गंडा गंडा शिक्षार्थी एनआईटी तथा निम्स परीक्षा उच्च प्राथमिक वृत्ति और पठन संबंध मेधावृत्ति परीक्षा पारदर्शिता लाभ कले आपणकर प्रशिक्षण पणिया विद्यालय प्राचीर सारा ओडिशा मूलक प्रभावित है आपण मार्गदर्शन में जातीय विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में पुरस्कृत हो छात्री अंकिता बल्ली जापान गले और छात्र रुद्रकांत सामल कलिकता जाते आपण 2015 राज्य सरकार जिला शिक्षक सम्मान 2012 रोटरी कलिंग भुवनेश्वर द्वारा नेशनल बिल्डर सम्मान 2012 ओडिशा गणित प्रोफेसर ब्रजबंधु मिश्र श्रेष्ठ लेखक सम्मान और 2018 कालनी महांती प्रतिभा सम्मान गीत गणित नामक एक काव्यधर्मी गणित पुस्तक प्रस्ताव गणित विचित्र आप लेखा लगातार प्रकाश पाई आसी गणित ओलंपियाड आपण प्रशिक्षक आखपाखे गणित प्रचार प्रसार आपणकर गणित प्रति स्वच्छ सरल अनुभूति और आजीवन अंगीकारबद्धता आपण सामान्य उपकरण जरिया सम्मान पत्र प्रदान कर निजक गौरवान्वित मन करुच्ची रामशंकर रथ साधारण संपादक प्रचार
जल्दी खुला खुली
Vivekananda Jena sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Vivekananda Jena to read out the felicitation certificate that is Professor S.A.N. Murthy.
प्रतिष्ठित तथा
गणित संग्राम दिशुवा गुणी ज्ञानी गुरुकुल गणित प्रेमी सदय छात्र छात्री आज पटरे रहस्य टिकट अच्छे कहना चाहूँगी 2014 मसीह ये अनुष्ठान को आसी गणित प्रशिक्षण शिविर जोगदेवाई से शिविर में डॉक्टर स्वाधीनानंद पट्टनायक एवं अन्य मान प्रेरणा मोर गणित प्रति आग्रह को बहुगुणित रूपायन सहायक आज सफलता पाई तार श्रेय से चरण तले मुझे अर्पण करुच्ची प्रार्थना करुच्ची मोर जीवन गणित प्रति समर्पित उत्सर्गित गणित ओडिशा गणित जय गणपति जय।
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Dr. Rajana to read out the felicitation certificate that will be awarded to A. N. Murthy. Sir.
डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम मूर्ति सुशासन गांधी हेतु छात्र प्रोफेसर तरफ ग्रहण करेंगे। ओडिशा गणित संसद 48 वार्षिक सम्मेलन सम्मान पत्र डॉक्टर सोमया गौड़ नेल्लोर प्रदेश आंध्र प्रदेश व नेल्लोर अपन भारत गंजाम जिला हिंगिलिकाटू कॉलेज अध्यक्ष हेले 1995 आपण शिक्षाकृत अवसर नहीं गले चाकरी सरियार 3 वर्ष आगु आपणकर जन्म 28 मार्च 1939 स्वर्गत एस सुबारामाया गारू आपणकर पिता उच्च शिक्षिका श्रीमती एस सुशीला धर्मपत्नी एवं श्रीमती के भारती आपणकर कालिका कन्या पुणी 2 नाती शशांक शेखर और आदि नारायण नहीं गणित पास कले 1984 नंबर लाभ कले अपन अमेरिका ऑस्ट्रेलिया और भारत मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी तथा रामानुजन मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी और भारतीय विज्ञान कांग्रेस सदस्यता ग्रहण करिसेंती। आपनकर 8टी गवेषणात्मक संदर्भ प्रकाशित होईची और अमेरिका मैथमेटिकल सोसाइटी 11 समीक्षित आपण जने संगीत साहित्य सहित आपण जीवन चर्चा रसायनिक करी जातक विचार आपण आपण गणित संसद युग्म कार्य करछथि आपण केन्द्रापड़ा पानीपवन और ओडिशार गणित प्रति आजीवन अनुरोध
जितना पास हो सके उतना पास रखो, जितना पास हो सके।
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Dr. Anusaya Nath to read the felicitation certificate to be awarded to Professor Surendra Nath Mahapatra. Ma'am.
प्रोफेसर सुरेंद्रनाथ महापात्र सार असुस्थ थिबारु सार आज आसी पारनाहांती, तेणु तांकर पुओ लिंगराज महापात्र को मु अनुरोध करूची आसी सम्मान को ग्रहण करिवे। ओडिशा गणित संसद 48तम वार्षिक सम्मेलन सम्मान पत्र प्रोफेसर सुरेंद्रनाथ महापात्र, राउत नुआगां जगतसिंहपुर महाशय। पराधीन भारत में जगतसिंहपुर जिलार राउत नुआगां ग्राम 28 फेब्रुआरी 1938 रे आपणकर जन्म। नटवर महापात्र एवं चंपादेवी आपणकर पितामाता। सेतेबेले शिक्षार प्रसार सीमित थिला। पुणी स्वराज समरर रणदुंदुभि जगतसिंहपुर सर्वत्र मुखरित हेउथिला। समस्त प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति रे आपण पाठपढ़ा आरंभ कले। जगतसिंहपुर श्रीकृष्ण एकाडेमी रु मेट्रिक पर भद्रक कॉलेज रु आईएससी सारी रेभेन्सा कॉलेज रु बीएससी और एमएससी पास कले। आपणकर आद्य कर्मभूमि हेउची केन्द्रापड़ा कॉलेज। सेठारे आपण गणित अध्यापन रे जोग देई 1987 रे हेले प्राध्यापक। पुणी 1991 रे भंजनगर कवि सम्राट उपेन्द्र भंज कॉलेज को बदली हेले। तत्परे जगतसिंहपुर बालीकुदा कॉलेज रो अध्यक्ष हेले 1994 ରୁ 1995। तापर जगतसिंहपुर एसडीएम कॉलेज ରୁ 1995 रे बदली हेले प्राध्यापक भाबरे। 1995 ରୁ 98 पर्यंत सालेपुर महाविद्यालय रो भाइस प्रिंसिपल रही 1998 मार्च पहिला रे अवसर नेले। 1977 रे केन्द्रापड़ा पर एक ग्रामीण बेसरकारी कॉलेज रे केही एक आडंबरपूर्ण ओडिशा गणित संसदर वार्षिक सम्मेलन करिवार चिंता करि नथिले। मात्र आपण साहस प्रदर्शन करी शिक्षक शिक्षार्थी और कॉलेज प्रशासन मध्य संतुलन रक्षा करी वार्षिक अधिवेशन को सुचारू रूपे अनुष्ठित कराइबारे मुख्य भूमिका ग्रहण करथिले। आपणकर शिक्षादान शैली, आपणकर गणित प्रति आजीवन अनुरक्ति और गणित संसद प्रति निर्मल अंगीकारबद्धता पई ओडिशा गणित संसद
डॉक्टर रविंद्र कुमार पटनायक।
प्रोफेसर रवींद्र कुमार पट्टनायक शारीरिक असुस्थता हेतु आपंक अनुपस्थित आपंकर पुत्र समान छात्र डॉक्टर प्रयास प्रसाद मिश्र को आपंक तरफ यह सम्मान ग्रहण करने ओडिशा गणतंत्र संसद अनुरोध करुछि। महाशय 1942 पर भारत छाड़ आंदोलन रणभूमि भी आत्मारी हिमाचल प्रकटित करुला जितेबाला ओडिशार राजधानी कटक नगर स्वराज समरर रणकार उठा पड़ता देशर से ही घड़ीसंधि काल 24 जनवरी 1943 एक शुभ लग्न कटक स्वर्गत रघुनाथ पट्टनायक और राधामणि देवी आपंकर पितामाता श्रीमान अनु एवं सुश्री अनुराधा आपंकर पुत्र कन्या उभय उच्च शिक्षिता पत्नी सुश्री दीपा पट्टनायक सुगृहिणी एवं दीर्घ अर्ध शताब्दी ऊर्ध्व आपणकर कृतित्वपूर्ण चलापथर सफल सारथी आपण जने खूब कटकी अवश्य एवं राजधानी चंद्रशेखरपुर अवस्थान करछन्ति आपण कटकर प्यारीमोहन एकाडेमी मैट्रिक पर्यंत पढ़ी उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय 1962 गणित सम्मान बीएससी पास कले 1964 अलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय एमएससी समाप्त कर 1964 1970 पर्यंत एनआईटी राउरकेला अध्यापना कले तापर आपण गले अमेरिका सेठारे न्यूयॉर्क स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी 1970 1975 टीचिंग असिस्टेंट रूपे कार्य कर 1971 शुद्ध गणित एमए और 1975 पीएचडी डिग्री लाभ करते पुणी 1975 2006 पर्यंत बिट्स पिलानी प्रोफेसर तथा डीन भाव कार्य कले 2003 रु 2006 जाए भुवनेश्वर आईसीआई टेक निर्देशक रहिले तापर आसाम आईसीआई टेक विश्वविद्यालय अगरतला 2006 रु 2009 जाए प्रो वाइस चांसलर कले पुणी से 2009 रु 2012 कुलपति भार संभाले शेष भुवनेश्वर सिलिकन इन्स्टिट्यूट 2012 रु 2016 पर्यंत निर्देशक रही अवसर नेले विभिन्न गवेषणात्मक जातीय और अंतर्जातीय जर्नाल आपंकर 10टी निबंध प्रकाश पाई पुस्तक रचना करछन्ति आपण अधीन 2 जन पीएचडी करछन्ति 5टी हायर डिग्री और फर्स्ट डिग्री थीसिस आपण गाइड होछन्ति आपण अमेरिकीय गणित संसद और भारतीय गणित संसद सदस्य अच्छी आपण भारतीय प्रतिनिधि भाव आसाम विश्वविद्यालय और नेहरू मनोनयन कमिटी सभापति थे बिट्स पिलानी सीनेट और परिचालना कमिटी गणित प्रति आजीवन अनुरक्ति ओडिशा गणित संसद सामान्य उपढौकन सह यही सम्मान पत्र प्रदान कर निजक गौरवान्वित रमाशंकर रथ सभापति एप्रिल 10 2021।
So I would like to invite our organizing secretary, Dr. Sudhakar Sahu, for the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Disability. Sir was here and he has given an excellent talk and esteemed guest of honor, Sri Santosh Kumar Sarli, IAS Principal Secretary to Government Science and Technology Department, as because of some reason he couldn't come. But he has given very good best wishes for this particular event. Respected President of Odisha Mathematical Society, Professor Ramshankar Rath, sir, esteemed Director, Institute of Mathematics and Applications, Professor Jaswant Jena, esteemed General Secretary, Odisha Mathematical Society, Professor Tushar Tripathi, respected teachers who are here at present in this audience, in this occasion, esteemed delegates, invitees, participants, students, members of Odisha Mathematical Society, members of the organizing committee, National Advisory Committee, and all who are present in online mode and watching this particular event. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion of the conference event. I, on behalf of Institute of Mathematics and Applications and the entire fraternity of organizing committee, extend very hearty gratitude to all directly or indirectly helped to make this function possible. Many distinguished mathematicians and renowned computer scientists across the country will grace the occasion by delivering their talks. Some of them have already given their talks, and others will be deliver their talks soon as per the schedule. I am thankful to all of them for their kind concurrence to become a part of this conference. And in this particular event, we have received many best wishes messages for the success of this conference. I must thank them all. Especially, I am honored to thank Professor Ganeshi Lal, Honorable Governor Odisha, for his heartening words on the relevance of mathematics and data science in the present age of digital revolution. I am also honored to thank Sri Naveen Patnaik, Honorable Chief Minister Odisha, for his warm wishes towards the success of the event and narrating the significance of mathematics as a fundamental science among other sciences. I am privileged to thank Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister, Science and Technology, Government of Odisha, for sending us his encouraging message and wholehearted support to IMA, and physically he also addressed this occasion and given very valuable information of development of science and particular mathematics and towards biotechnology and other fields. I am grateful to Sri Santosh Kumar Sarangi, IAS Principal Secretary, Science and Technology Department, Government of Odisha. As all of you know that our institute is under Science and Technology Department, Government of Odisha, and for this departmental support, and particularly for our Sarangi sir's his constant financial and administrative support in organizing successful seminars, conferences, and outreach activities of IMA throughout the year. I am very much thankful to Professor Ramshankar Rath, President OMS, for his inspiring lines, which he has sent to us earlier, which highlight the development of mathematics with its widespread applications as the sole aim of both Odisha Mathematical Society and Institute of Mathematics and Applications, for which we all need to work for. I am thankful to Professor M.S. Raghunathan, Chairman of Governing Council, IMA, for his words of support and wishes since inception. In addition to our hard work, it's his necessary logistics support and constant guidance that has made the event possible even during the outbreak of COVID-19. I am equally elated that a souvenir has been published containing the rich research abstracts and ideas to learn more about the recent and relevant research, theories, and practices in the area of mathematics and data science. I am very much gratified to all the participants for their willing involvement in the conference. I am specially obliged to all members of the Executive Committee of Odisha Mathematical Society for their active involvement, support and guidance for organizing this conference. Lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my colleagues who are in the local organizing committee, other supporting officials and non-teaching staff of IMA, security personnel, canteen staff, sweeping staff, gardeners, and especially our IMA student volunteers for their untiring effort and support in organizing the conference and trying for its success. Thank you all.